Om Guru Nam Namaste. Good afternoon, all of you. My dear second class students, today discuss about multiplication. See, multiplication means multiplication is repeated addition. Repeated addition. So, for example, I am writing here 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equals to 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. So, 4 into 4, how many times repeated beta? 1, 2, 3, 3 times repeated. So 4 3s are 12. This is also answer same. So multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. So 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many times 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12. So 4 is repeated 3 times. So 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. So these 4 and 3 are called factors, and 12 is called its product. It's a product. See here, multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. See now today, once again recall, look at the birds fly in the sky. See here, look at the birds fly in the sky. They are go really high. They are go really high. I can see one spreading its wings. One bird spreading its wings. Another join and makes it two. ఇంకొకటి జాయిన్ అవుతప్పుడు ఏమయ్యాయి? రెండు అయ్యాయి. Another joins and makes it two. Next, 2 more add to up to 4. 2 more add up to 4. Now there are more. ఇప్పుడు ఆ 2కి ఇంకొక రెండు యాడ్ అవుతప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది బేటా? 4 అవుతుంది. సో అండ్ నౌ దేర్ ఆర్ మోర్. ఇప్పుడు చాలా ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నాయి. నౌ నెక్స్ట్ 2 more and in all it 6. So 4 birds again, add 2 birds, so you can get 6 birds. All playing some tricks. 2 more make it 8. Again 6 birds. Next we can get 8. Now doesn't it look great? At the end see to then in a all how many make. So here again joining 2 birds to this 8 birds, you can get 10. This is the long process to count. So now I can write here, this is in very simple process. First, how many birds fly in the sky means 2 birds. Next 2 birds are joined. Next 2 birds. Next 2 birds. How many birds? How many times? 5 times. 2 birds, 2 birds, 2 birds, 2 birds. Now next here. See count. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. So now 2 is means 2 birds. How many times repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Means 2 5s are 10. So 2 and 5 means 2 into 5. These are called factors. And also 10 is called as its product. It's a product. Did you understand? See, don't you think it is very difficult to count so many times to know how many are there in the total? So there is an easy way. Let us multiplication them this time. Now here multiplication is a repeated addition. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. See here, page number 48. Before we learn multiplication, let us learn to group things. Here are a few to start with. See here. Now this is the first tray. Once see the tray. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. See here 1, 2, 3. How many groups are there? You can see here. How many groups can be formed with these eggs? Each group should have equal number of eggs. See beta, this is first row, this is second row, this is third row. First row, second row, third row. See here. In first row, how many eggs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here how many groups are there? 3 groups. See, 1, 2, 3 groups. in each group, how many eggs are there in each group? 4 eggs. See here, there are 3 groups of eggs and 4 eggs in each group. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని గ్రూపులు ఉన్నాయి బేటా? హియర్ 3 groups. So we arranged 3 groups and in each group we have 4 eggs. ఒక్కొక్క గ్రూప్ లో ఎన్ని eggs ఉన్నాయి? 4 eggs ఉన్నాయి. So here listen, the total number of eggs means 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4. See here. See, this is 4 plus 4 plus 4. See, total number of eggs. Total number of eggs is equals to ఒక ట్రేలో 4 ఉన్నాయి, ఒక ట్రేలో 4 ఉన్నాయి, ఒక ట్రేలో 4 ఉన్నాయి. How many trays are there? 3 trays are there. So here 4 is repeated how many times? 3 times. 4 3s you can get 12. How many eggs total? 12 eggs. See, you can think of another possibility. We have 4 groups and put 3 eggs in each group. So for example, how many groups are there? 4 groups. Each group, so how many eggs are there? In each group 3 eggs means here 4 groups. 4 groups in each group contain 3 eggs means 3 is repeated 4 times. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. This 3 is indicated number of eggs in each group. And 3 is repeated how many times? 4 times 3 is repeated. So 3 is repeated 4 times means 4 times it is indicated, that is the number of groups. So you can write it here 3 times 4 means here it is 4 eggs added 3 times means see here the total number of eggs 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, then so it is 3 eggs added 4 times. So 3 is repeated how many times beta? 4 times. 3 4s are 12. This is the another way. Only 12 eggs. Now next try another one. There are 5 groups and 3 ants in each group. ఇక్కడ 5 groups ఉన్నాయి బేటా. See here 1 2 3 4 5. ఒక్కొక్క గ్రూప్ లో 3 ants ఉన్నాయి. See here you can write this like only 5 groups means in each group contain 3 ants means 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. This 3 is indicated how many ants are there in each group. ఒక్కొక్క గ్రూప్ లో ఎన్ని ants ఉన్నాయి? 3 ఉన్నాయి బేటా. ఎన్ని గ్రూప్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 1 2 3 4 5 గ్రూప్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో 3 ants into 5 groups. 3 5s are 15 ants. The total number of ants is equals to 15. We can say 3 added 5 times equals to 15. What we get? So 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12 plus 3 15. So 3 is repeated 5 times, 3 5s are 15. You can get the same answer, no? So 3 into 5. This is called as factors and 5 is called as its products. Now let us quickly skip count and see how it makes us understand multiplication. See here, this is skip count by 2. Skip count by 2. See here, skip count by 2. See here, 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20 beta. See, skip count by 2 means 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 2 6 6 plus 2 8 8 plus 2 10 10 plus 2 12 12 plus 2 14 14 plus 2 16 16 plus 2 18 18 plus 2 20 20 plus 2 22 22 plus 2 24 24 plus 2 26 like that only. Now next skip count by 3. Skip count by 3. Here 3. See here, did you understand? This is the 2 table. Skip count by 2 means 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. See here, 2 1s are 2, 2 is repeated 1 time, 2 2s are 4, 2 is repeated 2 times, 2 3s are 6, 2 is repeated 3 times. See here, 2 3s are 6. 2 into 3, it can be written as 2 is repeated 2 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 6. This is also that only. See, skip count by 3 means 3 table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. Next, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. See, listen carefully. So, here now I am taking one rabbit. If rabbit is jumps 3 to 6, means 3 is skipped. 3 to 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 like that only. So, you can add in each time 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 like that only. So, you can get 3 table. Now next, skip count by 4. See, this is also same. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 4 24, 24 plus 4 28, 28 plus 4 32, 32 plus 4 36, 36 plus 4 40. See here, 4. So now I am taking here 1. This is a jump skip by 4 means you can start from 4, skip 4 means 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 4 24, 24 plus 4 28, 28 plus 4 32, 32 plus 4 36, 36 plus 4 40. This is also nothing but 4 table. See here, for example, I am taking 16. 4 5s are 20 means 4 is repeated 5 times. You can get 50. That's it. Now next, now these are also called multiplication tables. See, skip count by 5. I can already say 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now these are also called as multiplication table. Multiplication, simply put, is many times a number. Simply put, 2 times 3 means 2 3s are 6. 4 times 5 means 4 5s are 20. 3 times 4 means 3 4s are 12, like that only. See, here 2 times 3 means 6, 2 3s are 6. 4 times 3 means 4 3s are 12, like that only. See here, once again I can explain. Listen. Already I explained, but once again, listen. See here, 2 times 3 is, means 2 times means 2 into 3, that is equals to 6. 2 3 is 6. Next, 4 times 3 means 4 is repeated 3 times. So 4 plus 4 plus 3, it can be written as in shortcut method. 4 and 4 is repeated 3 times. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12, so and so, like that only. Now next, look at the multiplication tables and learn them. So everybody read multiplication table. So here 2 to 10. Now next, know that you know the tables. It is easy for you to multiply any number. Let's go ahead. See here, there are 2 groups and 3 apples in each group. So you can write 3 plus 3 6. You can write 2 times 3 or 2 times 3. 2 groups and each group contain 2 apples. See here, listen. See here, there are 2 groups and 3 apples in each group. First group and second group. You can see 3 plus 3, you can get 6 also. 2 times 3 means 2 into 3, you can get 6. And here the symbol into is denotes multiplication. This is denotes multiplication symbol. That crash symbol is known as multiplication. So here in multiplication, the numbers that are multiplied are called factors. The number that are multiplied. So these, the number that are multiplied means 2 into 3. These are all called factors. And now next, the answer is called its product. Answer means 2, 3 the 6. 6 is called the product. The numbers that are multiplied means 2 and 3 are called factors. So here 2 into 3 is equals to 6. 6 is answer that is called as a product. So the numbers that are multiplied means 2 is multiplied with 3 means 2 and 3 are called its factors. See now fun fact 1 is for you. See here, any number multiplied by 0 gives the answer is 0. See here, any number multiplied by 0 gives the answer 0. Answer 0. See here, 3 is multiplied with 0, you can get 0, or 0 is multiplied with any number, you can get 0. 0 is multiplied by any number, you can get 0. Any number is multiplied by 0, you can get 0. Next, any number multiplied by 1. Any number multiplied by 1 gives the same number as the answer. See here, 1 is multiplied by any number, 1 4 is 4, or any number is multiplied by 1, you can get 4. See, 1 is multiplied by any number, you can get 4. Any number is multiplied by 1, you can get 4. The product of 1 and any number, you can get the same number. The product of 1 and any number, you can get the same number. See here next, order of multiplication. This is very important topic, beta. Order of multiplication. See, order of multiplication means, listen carefully, a change in the order of factors in multiplication does not change the product. Does not change the product. A change in the order of factors in multiplication does not change the product. Means if you take any two numbers, you can multiply in any order. So the product should be same. See here. Now, here how many books are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 books. In each box contain 2 books. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. In each group contain 2 books. Means here you can write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. See here, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 is 5 times. So you can get 10 beta. So this is also 10 and this is also 10. Now next here, how many groups are there? 2 groups are there. How many groups are there? 2 groups are there. See here, in each group contain 5 books. Means I can write only this is the order. Here 5 books, here 5 books. So 5, how many times? 2 times repeated. Now next here 2 5s are 10. So this is 10, this is 10. So if you take any two numbers, you can multiply any order. If you even change the order, the product should be same. That is called as the order of multiplication. See now next, very very important, this is just 17 minutes completed. See now next, see multiply 24 by 2 beta. See, this is listen carefully. So 24 had to take top and next 2, this is the, I have to take bottom at ones place and first multiply the digits in ones place. Ones place లో ఉన్నటువంటి digits ని మీరు multiply చేయాలి. So everybody you can read 2 table. So 2 4s are 8. So you can get 8. 2 4s are 8 means 2 4s are 8. That is the product you can write under ones column. Now next 2 2s are 4. So product is equals to 48. Product is equals to 48. So okay, thank you everybody.